A name that is instantly associated with luxury, power, and workmanship is Bentley Motors. The renowned W12 engine, which is a masterpiece of engineering that symbolizes accuracy, inventiveness, and artisanal expertise, is at the core of many of the company's high-performance models. This is an in-depth look into the production and assembly process of Bentley's W12 engine. In Bentley's flagship models, such as the Continental GT, Bentayga, and Flying Spur, the W12 engine has been a distinguishing characteristic that has been of great importance. In terms of both elegance and performance, it is the pinnacle of automobiles. The production of the W12 takes place at the Bentley site in Crewe, England, which is a factory that combines cutting-edge automation with traditional craftsmanship in a seamless manner. Number 1. This design does the following. The engine's tiny size enables it to fit into luxury cars without reducing the amount of room available inside the vehicle. The engine has a high power density. Smoothness. A thoroughly balanced design will ensure that there are very few vibrations. In terms of efficiency, cutting-edge technology like cylinder deactivation and turbocharging are able to improve fuel efficiency without compromising performance. Utilizing cutting-edge computer-aided design CAD tools and computational fluid dynamics (CFD), every aspect of the engine is thoroughly planned out to guarantee the best possible performance. Number 2. Manufacturing process. A symphony of machines and craftsmanship. A. Machining with a high degree of precision. Beginning as raw aluminum blocks, the W12 engine is then machined into precise components, such as the engine block and cylinder heads. This process is repeated until the engine is finished. Bentley uses 5-axis CNC machines, which provide an accuracy that is unmatched in the industry. To guarantee that each cut is made with micrometer-level precision, laser-guided tools are utilized. X-ray inspections to identify any microscopic deficiency in the materials that are being examined. Hand-finished components are referred to as. Human artisans are responsible for the precise finishing and inspection of each component, while machines do the majority of the machining. For example, cylinder bores are hand-polished to lessen the amount of friction that occurs. The flatness of the gasket surfaces is manually verified to ensure that the sealing is done correctly. Constructing the beast's heart is the third step in the assembly process. A. Precision that is created by hand. Every single W12 engine is constructed by hand in contrast to mass-produced engines. Skilled experts at the Crewe facility adhere to a comprehensive procedure that requires more than 30 hours of painstaking assembly. 1. The installation of the crankshaft involves the installation of the carefully balanced crankshaft in the engine block. This serves as the foundation for the rotating assembly. 2. Piston and rod assembly. Each piston is hand-fitted with connecting rods and precisely adjusted to guarantee that it functions perfectly every time. The third step is the integration of turbochargers, which involves the installation of twin-scroll turbochargers that are meant to remove lag and offer rapid power. 4. The wiring harnesses and sensors are integrated into the electrical systems in order to guarantee that there is no interruption in communication between the engine and the vehicle's infrastructure. B. Quality assurance at every step in the process. At each stage of the assembly, a log is kept and a double check is performed. When it comes to ensuring that bolts are tightened to the exact specifications, technicians use torque wrenches that come equipped with digital feedback. Number 4. Testing. Achieving perfection. While under pressure in DOT, testing in a cold environment. The cold test is carried out by Bentley, utilizing sophisticated diagnostics in order to validate the following. Compression ratios. This is done before the engine is started. Detection of leaks. Electrical system functionality. B. Hot testing. In the event that the engine is successful in passing the cold test, it is then started and put through a series of tests on a test bench, which simulates a variety of real-world settings. The response of the turbocharger is one of the parameters that are measured. The amount of power produced. Vibration levels are being measured. Each and every engine is put through a series of hours of rigorous testing to guarantee that it satisfies Bentley's stringent requirements. This is the fifth and last inspection, the human touch. In the final stage, Bentley's master technicians will conduct a thorough inspection of the vehicle. They make use of both sophisticated tools and their own trained senses to check for the following: any vibrations or noises that are not normal. The components should be aligned correctly. Cosmetic finishes, which ensure that the engine is as immaculate in appearance as it is in terms of its mechanical specifications. The durability of the W12 and its prospects for the future. Bentley is dedicated to preserving the environment, even though the W12 engine represents the pinnacle of design for an internal combustion engine. The corporation has committed to removing all of its electric vehicles from the lineup by the year 2030. Bentley, in the meantime, has included the following. Cylinder deactivation is a feature that enables the engine to operate on 6 cylinders when it is not required to operate at full power, hence decreasing emissions. Manufacturing practices that are efficient include the fact that Bentley's Crewe factory is carbon neutral, which demonstrates the company's dedication to producing products that are environmentally responsible. Bentley's W12 engine is more than just a power plant. It's a work of art that embodies the brand's commitment to luxury, performance, and innovation. Whether roaring on the open road or cruising in ultimate comfort, the W12 engine symbolizes the art of engineering at its finest. Enjoyed this content? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts.